Hi guys, welcome to this short video about maintenance of such solar pump fountains, and usually they are more or less maintenance free. There is just a problem with the pump itself. Of course, you have to clean it every now and then a little bit, otherwise it gets stuck and then the lifetime goes down, and a lot of people are surprised that it dies after a couple of months, half a year or so. So it's really needed to make some maintenance, and this is where we find the part where we have to work on. And usually the problem is that it's not described very well, so either there is no description about the maintenance, or it's described in a very poor way. They just say, yeah, to avoid damage, please don't open the controller of the solar panel, I mean the battery part controller. Okay, but regarding maintenance, they just say regular clean pump will increase the life of the fountain, clean the pump as followed, and so on. Remove the cover of the pump, and this is where the problem starts. I'll put it to this side here, you can see that. So here's the controller where we can't do anything. You shouldn't move that around, that's glued, and you shouldn't do anything. And here you have the pump, but the filter, there's an outside filter, and that's really close to this controller and can't be removed, or yeah, you can't do anything. It's absolutely impossible to do anything, and when you touch it you think, yeah, okay, it's glued as well, and here there's nothing you can do. So this is how this works. So this is not glued actually, at least in all the cases which I have seen. This is not glued, this is just like sticked through the hole here. So this part here is connected to the pump, so you can actually move that around, and you can see when you move it left, right, and pull it at the same time, you should be able to remove this outside. So it's just holding with this cable here. Now it's outside, now you have access to everything. You can remove this thing with your fingernail. Usually it should be possible to remove the thing. Sometimes you can even remove these parts inside, impeller and so on. So here I have a small Swiss Army knife, but you can use a small screwdriver and just pick it up here. It should be possible. So here we have it, you can see that. So that's it, what you can take out, these three parts, and this can be cleaned and then put back. You have to, yeah, it's even somehow magnetic, and we can also push this thing back here. Okay, and then we close it. Yeah, I think we have to make sure there's a gap here, and the gap, and this has to be aligned, and then we just push it through the hole again, and then it's secured, and then we can attach the nozzles again. So you can see, you have to be just a little bit careful with this wire here, not to pull too hard when you pull this out, but yeah, apart from that you can do that, and it's definitely worse, and it increases the lifespan of such a device, definitely. When it's clogged too much and the engine has to work too hard for too long time, so that's usually then when the problem starts. So that's it for now, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.